So let's do that. Let's start. We're gonna have to a new family. That is going to be, it's gonna be a lighting fixture family. Doesn't have to be ceiling based, okay? It can be just about anything. So lighting fixture, it will work just fine. So hit open, and we have a lighting fixture here. Okay, let's change this 2 millimeters, and let's start working around this thing. Okay, so look at the picture. This is like round, right? So let's go ahead and let's do that. One thing I know is that this is 300, so the radius of my geometry is going to be 300. Yeah, 150. So let's start working on this. Okay, so this is the top. I'm going to do an extrusion, and this extrusion is going to be of 150. Doesn't matter, just go whatever, and I put top 150. So 150. Okay, let me go to the, I don't know, the front. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this in here. Just don't want to put this on the floor. Okay, yeah, I can put this on the floor, doesn't matter. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna make this the total height of this is I don't know, let's say halfway. So let's make it 200. So that's what this is what I want this to be. Create, and we're gonna go 200. I guess we can try this. Okay, so now what I need to do is I need to punch a hole in here, kind of like the same way I did it before, and also I need to put a glass in here. So maybe, yeah, let me go to the reference plane, and I'm gonna create a void right here. So it's gonna be an extrusion, and I'm going to pick this to the inside. I think 10 is not too much, so make it 20. Yeah, that seems to be nice. So 20, hit OK. Let me go to the left, and I have a void right there. Now I can create a reference plane or something. I don't think it's necessary, but just in order to be, you never know how much you're gonna need this family, so might as well, you know, end up using this a lot, so might as well be organized. Yeah. Okay, same thing. I'm gonna drop this a little bit. Oh no, I think it's fine. Let me see. Let's go here to the 3D view. Okay, so I cut it so far. Okay, that's good. That's a great news. So you see, sometimes when you coincide, you use the same line. The void actually goes through a volume, and some other times no, like happened with the ceiling. In this case, the void and the volume are coinciding, and the void is cutting through my geometry. So go figure. So we don't have to go through. We're gonna leave this the way it is. The only thing is I need one more thing. That needs to be a piece of glass, right? So it's going to be an extrusion. Maybe a circle after that. It's going to give this 5 millimeters already and accept. So if you go here, you have the 5 millimeters there. I'm going to select this piece and I'm going to make sure give it a proper material. So if you go to material category, go to the box. I have glass here. I can go and look for something a little more appropriate, but glass is going to work. If you here, you have a ton of materials. Okay, I'm just gonna use glass because it's very handy. It's right here. So glass, hit OK. Let me see if this is actually shaded. Yeah, you see, you can see the glass and you can see through this thing. Next thing I want to do is I want to place my, as you can see, the light source is somewhere else, so I need to put it inside, right? So let's do that. Go to the front, the lighting fixture is somewhere there. Since this is 200, I'm just going to make, I'm gonna lower this. And I'm just gonna make this 200. Sorry, 100, halfway, right? So and I'm going to make sure this stay there no matter what. Okay, so let me see this. Okay, I think I'm fine here. Okay, so one more thing is probably the way the light distributes. I don't want to get too deep into that right now, but you see this is kind of like a omnidirectional kind of light. Let's change that. This light tend to be more like a spotlight, right? So let's change that. So I'm going to select the lighting source, and you see lighting source definition. And as you can see, it's more like an omnidirectional. I want to go for something like this spot. Hit apply, hit OK. Now it's looking in an angle, so let me go to here and change this angle. Spot beam angle. I think this is the parameter, not quite sure. Let me see, hit apply, and it's not. It's this one. Yeah, so now it's looking 90 degrees. Oh, spot beam angle. Let's make this, I don't know, 60. Yeah, something like that. So it's not so 90. Let's make this 60 also. Okay, so something like that. Okay, in another tutorial I will go in more details about the photometrics. Okay, here for time being this is fine. Hit OK, hit OK. I think we are fine here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring this into my actual I'm gonna bring this into my actual box. It's already waiting there. So let's see. Let's go load into project. Have plenty of projects here. Ceiling box. This is the one. Hit OK. Now let's go to the ceiling. cm. Okay, so it's there. We cannot see it. Let's see if we can see it from the front view. Okay, because it's on the floor. So let's start by aligning this thing. Okay, so let's try to align this. Okay, great. Make sure. Let's go there. And let's go to the top view. Let's go to the ceiling. Yes. So let's see. Where do we have this one? We have two right there in the center and two on the other end. So again.